2 cube, and so on, n terms. The sum of n terms is greater than 1000 given. Then find the least value of n. Okay. So what is sum of n terms in GP series formula? If r greater than 1, this is the formula. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. The given question, a value, a means first term 1, common ratio T2 by T1 or T3 by T2, whatever may be, that is 2. Now those values substitute in that formula. 1 into 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is greater than 1000. Students, see the calculation. Denominator 2 minus 1 means 1 only now. Now 2 power n minus 1 is greater than 1000. Now 2 power n is greater than 1000. So at what values we get more than 1000? I think 2 power 10 is 1024. Okay. If 2 power 11, 2 power 12, and so on, those are greater than 1000 only. Greater than 1000 only. So in place of n, take that 10, 11, 12, and so on. Any term, the condition will be satisfied. But they are asking least value of n. What is the least value here? 10 only. Least value of n, that is equal to 10. So which option is correct? Fourth option. If you are taken 2 power 9, 2 power 9 value is 512. So 512 is greater than 1000? No, this is wrong. So in place of n, you are taken less than 10, either 9 or 8 or 7, 6. The condition cannot be exist. The condition will be exist 10 and more, 10, 11, 12, and so on. So out of those values, least value is 10 only. Question. The sum of an infinite GP is 2 if the sum of their sequence is 4 by 3. The sum of their squares is 4 by 3. Then the third term is, actually GP series means how we are taking the terms we know very well. A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on up to infinite terms. What is sum of infinite terms formula? A by 1 minus R. This is now. So the sum of infinite terms value already given. How much? 2. Now A is equal to 2 into 1 minus R. This is one condition. Okay. If the sum of their squares means you can write like this: A square, AR square, AR square whole square. These are also infinite terms. The total sum of infinite terms is 4 by 3 given. Apply the formula here. A by 1 minus R. A means A square by 1 minus R square. That value should be 4 by 3. Then find the third term, T3. T3 means what? T3 is equal to AR square. This is we need to find. So by using these two conditions, identify that A value and R value. So this is A square, I am writing A into A, denominator 1 plus R into 1 minus R, because denominator is in the form of A square minus B square. I am written A plus B into A minus. What is A by 1 minus R value? 2. Substitute here. A by 1 plus R into A by 1 minus R value 2, that is equal to 4 by 3. 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. Now what is A? A is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 plus R. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2, observe that from 1 and 2, left hand side values are equal. Equate them right hand side. 2 by 3 into 1 plus R. 2 to cancel. Now in this relation, we need to find R value. Take 3, left hand side, 3 minus 3R. That is equal to 1 plus R. 2 is equal to 4R. Then what is R value? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. This value, substitute here. A is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 2. I am substituting here. So what are you getting? A is equal to 2 by 3 into, this is 3 by 2. That value should be 1. But we need to find T3. T3, that is AR square. A value is 1, R value is 1 by 2 whole square. Now finally, what is answer? 1 by 4. See the options. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Once write the question and answer, please. Explain, please. Still now what I am done? Huh? Tell me, still I am what I am done? I didn't explain. Which step you have doubt? Tell me, I will explain. I don't explain total solution because this is not difficult, easy only. If it is difficult, I will explain 2-3 times. Please copy this. Next, I am going to write ninth question. Ninth question. If the sum of 3 numbers in GP is 21, and their product is 216, then the numbers are now first option 3, 6, 12. Second option 2, 4, 8. Third option 5, 7, 9. Fourth option none. If the sum of three numbers are in GP is 21, sum of three numbers means how to take, we know very well, A by R plus A plus AR, that is equal to 21, and the product of those terms A by R into A into AR, that's value 216. This is original method. Or you can go shortcut method. Sum of the three numbers is 21. Add these three numbers, we get 21. This is 14, sum 14, wrong. This is 21. So these two are correct. When, if sum is 21, product is 216. Here 12 6 are 72. 72 3s are 216. It is correct. But here 35 into 9, how much? 9 5s are 45. 31, 315. So product is not matching. Only here sum and product matching. So answer is first option. In the examination you can do like that. But when we are discussing in classwork, we can't do like that. Go to this method. Here observe, R cancel, A into A cube, A into A into A cube. 216 means 8 cube. What is A value? 3. A value is 3. Now here substitute A common. Remaining what is there? 1 by R plus 1 plus R, that is equal to 21. A value is not 3, 8, sorry. This is 8. 1 by, take the LCM. R square, that is equal to, A value is 8. Here we get 21 by 8. See the calculation. See the calculation. 1 minute. A is equal to 6. 1 second. 6 cube. 6 cube. How much? Two 116 means 6 cube. This is 6. So here also 6. Now 3 2s are 3 7s are. Take cross multiplication. 2 plus 2R plus 2R square, that is equal to 7R. Now this is 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in R split into factors. So you will get R value easily. Here R is common, 2R minus 1. Minus 2 common, 2R minus 1. overall r minus 2, r minus 2, 2r minus 1, that is equal to 0. Finally, r value 1 by 2 r 2. Now I am going to take that a value is 2, r value take any one, either 1 by 2 or 2. I am going to 2. These are the values. Now we need to find numbers. Numbers means first one is a by r, second one is ar. Tell me what happened. A value is 6, sorry. 6 by 2, that is 3. This is 6. 6 into 2, 12. So finally, the numbers are 3, 6, 12. This is the answer. Yeah. Now, what is nth term of a GPC? It's formula. Nth term Tn, that is equal to a into r power n minus 1. This is the formula. But they are asking T 2pth term. 2pth term. That means a into r power 2p minus 1. That value is equal to how much given? Q square. This is take equation 1. T 2qth term. That means how to write? A into r power 2q minus 1. That value is p square. That value is p square. This is take equation number 2. But we need to find Tp plus q. This is question mark. Do that 1 into 2. What happened? A into r power 2p minus 1 into a into r power 2q minus 1, that is equal to q square into p square. A into a square. Bases are equal, power should be adding, means we get 2p plus 2q minus 2, that is equal to, this is, we can write pq whole square. Now this step, observe that a into r power, here 2 take common, remaining p plus q minus 1. So whole square. If a square b square is there, means we are writing ab whole square or not? Same model I am written. This is pq. But see the question, this is they are asking, what is Tp plus q? Tp plus q, that is equal to a into r power p plus q minus 1. This is. And here I am not written square. So here square cancel. A into r power p plus q minus 1 value is how much? Pq. This value substitute here. What is answer? Pq. So fourth option is correct. AR square, AR cube, and so on, AR power n. These are in JP. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A10 also GP given. Compare these two. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, like that. And A3 by A1 already given here, 25. A3 value, A1 value substituted, we got R square value and R value. And they are asking A9 by A5. A9 by A5 means A into R power 8 by A R power 4. So this is we got R square whole square. R square value is 5 square. By observing the options, I am calculated. So I got 5 power 4. 5 power 4 means 625. But is 625 is not there in options. Okay, I didn't multiply. So whenever you are solving the problems in objective, see the option and